In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent meeting participants from muting or removing other attendees in Microsoft Teams. This simple setup keeps you in control of your meeting so discussions stay organized, focused, and free from disruptions. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Microsoft Teams homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. If you're prompted for additional security verification, go ahead and complete that. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your team's dashboard. From here, look for the Meet option. Depending on updates to the interface, it may appear as Meet or Meet Now. If you don't see it right away, you can go directly to the Meet area using the web path at teams.live.com v2. That Meet section is where you create and manage your meetings, and it's also where you'll control participant permissions. Inside the Meet area, choose Schedule a Meeting. This opens the meeting setup page. On the right side of this screen, you'll see several configuration options that determine what people can do once they join. These settings are important because they define who has the authority to manage audio, video, and participant actions. Find the option labeled Who Can Present. Presenters in Teams have elevated privileges, including the ability to mute others and remove attendees from the meeting. To limit that power to yourself, click the drop-down and select Only Me. With Only Me selected, everyone else joins as an attendee by default, which prevents them from muting or removing other participants. You can still promote someone to presenter during the meeting if needed, but this default keeps control in your hands from the start. After you've made that selection and reviewed any other details you're setting for the meeting, make sure to save your changes. Click the Save button to apply everything. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your adjustments won't take effect, and participants may still have permissions you intended to restrict. And that's it. You've configured your Microsoft Teams meeting so that participants cannot mute or remove others, helping you run smoother, more professional, and interruption-free sessions. Before sending your invite, it's a good habit to double-check the Who Can Present setting, especially if you're duplicating or recurring a meeting, to ensure the control stays consistent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you keep your Microsoft Teams meetings on track. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tips.